Hello friends, as I told you in previous lecture that the four factor affects the power ratings are heating effect, classes of duty, inertia of load, environmental condition. Now the next factor is classes of duty. So let us see one by one. There are 8 types of classes which are depends on loading period, unload period, rest time, and according to class and duty is defined. The first class is continuous class. Here, in case of continuous class, the motor remains on for all time. This characteristic shows the torque versus time characteristics. Such type of continuous duty motors are used in paper mills with constant load. The temperature remains constant throughout. So here you can see little increase in temperature, and after that the steady state temperature is attained. Now the second is short time duty. So motor will be in operation for very small time and it will remains off further, and such type of motors is used for opening of valve. The application of such type of motor is opening of valve. The motor started once for a small time and will be in rest for long time. Let us say valve is open and motor will be in rest for long time. The heating will increase. This curve shows the increase in temperature till this point, and after that it start decreasing. As it is short time duty, it will not attain steady state temperature and the temperature will gradually decrease. Now the third type is nothing but the intermittent periodic duty. In this duty, motor operates for small time, then will be in rest and vice versa. It will repeats further. This particular period is a rest period and this is loading period. The torque versus time characteristic shown here. Such type of motor is used for press, drilling machine, etc. The temperature curve is also mentioned. So in this period it will rise and it is drop gradually as shown in figure below. The next is intermittent periodic duty with starting, and the example of such motor is metal cutting, mine hoist to lift material from mine. The torque time characteristics shows here. Here this is starting time, this one is loading time, and this is rest period. We require higher starting torque and then motor will be on load torque, and next part is rest time at which motor will remain stop condition. In previous type only load torque was present. Here the repetition takes place. Now the next is intermittent periodic duty with starting and braking. The such type of motor are used in filling mill drive and mine hoist. The torque time characteristic as shown in figure. This is starting period, loading. This one is braking, and here is a rest period at which motor remains off. Temperature increases gradually till this point, till braking, and during rest period it decreases gradually. Again increase in temperature and decrease takes place. Now the next part is nothing but the continuous periodic duty. So in case of continuous periodic duty, it is same as intermittent periodic duty. The difference is only that in case of intermittent periodic duty, motor will be at rest, but in this case the motor will be on, but it will be on no load. As it is on no load, during this portion the torque is nearly zero. Therefore it is called as a continuous periodic duty. Next type is continuous periodic duty with braking. In this case motor comes from load to no load, load to no load, then braking, and there will be a rest period, and the repetition of such is takes place further. And the last one is continuous periodic duty with multiple load torque or load change. So in this case, this is torque versus time characteristics. You can observe here different loaded condition denoted by L1, L2 and L3. Here no load condition and braking, and further it is repeated. So this is all about motor duties, and in the next lecture we will see the further part. Thank you.